Imagine a hospital without doctors, nurses, or receptionists. Everything is controlled by artificial intelligence, from diagnostics to surgery. Is this the future? No, it is already a reality that is rapidly approaching. A patient enters the hospital. He is instantly scanned by artificial intelligence, temperature, blood pressure, pulse, all in real time. The robot receptionist forms an electronic card and directs him to the department. An AI diagnostician recognizes diseases with an accuracy of up to 98%. It analyzes the patient's medical history, symptoms, even mood, and instantly makes a diagnosis. Surgical robots can perform ultra-precise operations without losing attention or fatigue. Their movements are controlled by a neural network that has learned from millions of examples. An AI nurse monitors the level of pain, well-being, gives medication, and can even talk to the patient, providing moral support. Care becomes personalized, accurate, without emotional burnout. Will medicine become cold? What if the program crashes? Will we want to be treated not by a doctor but by a machine? This is a question that humanity is already facing today. AI in hospitals is not science fiction, it is the future. But are we ready for it? Write in the comments whether you would trust your life to a machine.